Welcome to Channel 6 Network's Afternoon News Bulletin. I am Anchor Ankita bringing you the top headlines from India and around the globe. Top stories at a glance. We begin with a look at the political landscape, both domestically and internationally. In a significant diplomatic move, India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh proposed a four-point plan to his Chinese counterpart, Admiral Dong Jun, aimed at de-escalating border tensions and improving bilateral relations. The plan emphasizes adherence to disengagement and a focus on demarcation, while Singh also highlighted concerns over Pakistan-sponsored cross-border terrorism. Meanwhile, US President Donald Trump has hinted at a very big upcoming trade agreement with India, stating that a rare earths trade deal with China is already complete. This initiative aims to bolster US global trade ties and supply chain stability, with the potential India's deal possibly covering energy, agriculture, and tariffs. Domestically, Mumbai is bracing for a Thackeray reunion, as Uddhav and Raj Thackeray are set to lead a joint protest against the Devendra Fadnavis government's decision to introduce Hindi as an optional third language for classes 1 to 5. This unprecedented alliance comes amidst widespread concerns over Hindi imposition in Maharashtra. From the Middle East, Israel's defense minister has revealed that they would have killed Iran's supreme leader Khamenei if possible during a 12-day conflict, noting that Khamenei went underground as Israel targeted top Iranian officials. And RSS General Secretary Dattatreya Hozbale has strongly suggested a debate on whether the words secular and socialist should be removed from the preamble of the Constitution. Hozbale noted that these terms were added by the Congress government during the emergency. Now moving on to the world of business and finance. In major corporate news, JSW Paints is poised to acquire a majority stake in Akzo Nobel India in a substantial deal valued at 8,986 crore rupees. This move marks a significant development in the Indian paints industry. Markets are demonstrating robust performance today, with Asia stocks surging to a three-year high and the Sensex gaining 1,000 points to near its peak, while the Nifty 50 is also trading near 25,600. Despite a weekly drop, oil prices have edged up. Now, let's turn our attention to the latest from the entertainment world. The much-anticipated movie, Ma, starring Kajol as a mother battling dark mythological forces, has been released to mixed reviews. Netizens, however, are hailing Kajol's performance as fearless and gripping, despite some critiques of predictable storytelling and emotional impact. Hollywood actor Brad Pitt's Los Feliz home in Los Angeles was burgled while he was on a global promotional tour for his new sports action drama, F1. This incident highlights a growing trend of burglaries in high-profile Los Angeles neighborhoods. The film, Sitare Zameen Par, is being celebrated as a heartwarming family watch, praised for its blend of comedy, compassion, and charm, making it a recommended theatre experience. And there's buzz around Punjabi cinema as Neeru Bajwa has reportedly deleted Instagram posts related to Sardar Ji 3, amid a controversy surrounding Diljit Dosanjh's film. Next, a look at international relations and global affairs. Iran has definitively ruled out nuclear talks with the United States next week. Iran's foreign minister stated that recent strikes on nuclear sites caused significant damage, prompting Tehran to reassess its diplomatic strategy. Despite this, a potential $30 billion deal from the US to Iran for a civilian nuclear program is reportedly in the works. However, sources indicate this deal comes with a non-negotiable condition. At the 2025 summit, NATO chief Mark Rutte raised eyebrows by referring to US President Donald Trump as "Daddy," a remark that sparked laughter among attendees. Rutte later clarified that the comment referred to the US's foundational role within NATO, not Trump personally. And India has expressed grave concerns over the demolition of a Durga temple in Dhaka, slamming Bangladesh's Yunus government for alleged inaction. Finally, let's round up the latest from the world of sports. The West Indies vs Australia test was marred by three shocking umpiring decisions in 2 days, leading to significant social media outcry and calls for the West Indies team to walk off the field in protest. In a candid revelation, cricketer Shikhar Dhawan recounted smuggling his girlfriend into a room he shared with Rohit Sharma, a move that reportedly displeased Sharma at the time. Former Indian cricketer Ashwin criticized Siraj's bowling performance, humorously questioning how many dams Jasprit Bumrah would be able to construct. Football superstar Cristiano Ronaldo has put an end to transfer rumors by signing a 2-year contract extension with his Saudi club. And in cricket news from the USA, pitches for Major League Cricket (MLC) 2025 are being described as very different by players like Devon Conway. That's all for today afternoon from Channel 6 Network. Thank you for joining us.